Now it's time for some magic. Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a cute toilet and the essentials.
Wow!
So let's get started. Very soon there will be a magic, so just wait for it.
Okay.
Oh, the toilet seat has the eyes and it is looking around. Now let's color it. I am putting the light yellow color.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture.
Now I am putting the dark yellow color.
My darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon.
Now I am putting the pink color.
Red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo.
I am putting the sky blue color now.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
I am putting the purple color now.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
Now it's time for some magic.